Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. We are going to learn formatting text in HTML. Let's get started. So we can format a text in HTML similar to the way we can format it in a Word document. For example, we can make a text bold, we can make a text italic, or we can strike a text, we can make the size small, or we can mark it, or we can make it as a subscript, or we can make it as a superscript, or we can make it as an important text, it will be highlighted, or we can make it as a inserted text, which means it will be underlined. So I'll open Notepad++ and I'll open a new document, and here I'll paste the sample code. If you don't have the sample code, you can go to wikishah.me/sample-html-code and copy the sample code from here. Else, if you want, you can write the basic HTML template as well. I've pasted the code. Let's go ahead and let's see the formatting options that are available. HTML, let's change the title as HTML text formatting. And let's change the header as hi, I am HTML text. Let's save it. Let's save for now. Let's save it in the same folder that was there on the desktop, HTML course, HTML-text-formatting.html. Now let's open that folder. Once the folder is open, let's open it with Google Chrome. On the right, we have a HTML document opened in Notepad++, and on the left, we have the web page that is open. Let's change some formatting here. Alright, so using the B tag, I can make something as bold. So let's make HTML as bold. So I'll write the opening tag, which is B, and I'll write the closing tag, which is /B. Let's check this out. I'll save this and refresh it here on the left. Alright, see, the left part, HTML is highlighted and it's in bold right now. Alright, so let's do one more thing. Let's go ahead and just copy this, paste it. Let's look at the next formatting option that we have. We have italic. So instead of bold, let's make it as italic. So we'll open the italic tag and we'll close it by the italic tag. We'll save it. Alright, let's do one more thing. Let's write a BR tag, which will add a space, or which will add a line. Okay. Now look at the HTML on the first line, it is bold. Look at the HTML on the second line, it is italics. Alright, something more that I've did, I've actually created a page just for the formatting text, which is wikishah.me/formatting-text-in-HTML. I've created this page on my website so that you can look at all the formatting options that are there, and you can simply copy it from my website. You can copy all the tags from my website. After the end of this video, I will also put this particular HTML code on the same page at the bottom. You can take the code from there if you want. Alright, let's check the next tag, which is delete. Okay, before checking the delete tag, something that you should know. Right now in HTML5, we use the delete tag. In HTML4 or the earlier versions of HTML, we used to use the strike tag. Well, strike should also work in most of the browsers. However, for full compatibility, I will suggest we should use del or the delete tag. This will strike the text. Let's go ahead and use that and check how it's going to show up. Okay, del/del. Let's save it. Open the HTML document. Look at this. Let's add BR again for a line break. Now let's check the third line. Okay, look at the third line. HTML is crossed. You must have seen on certain websites the price is crossed and then there's a different price that is written. So we can use the strike tag for it. Let's look at the other tags that we have. So after this, we have the small tag. It will make the text small. Let's add a BR for line break, and then we can copy this line, or we can write it down. I am HTML text. Now let's make HTML as small and close it by /small. Let's save it. Okay, look at that. Okay, so it's not visible because everything, because HTML is in caps. Let's write the entire thing in caps and check that out. I am HTML text. Let's save it. Let's refresh it on the left. Right, so if you look at HTML, it is the size of the font or the size of the text HTML is smaller as compared to hi I am text. Alright, let's look at the next option that we have. Let's look at the next formatting option that we have. We have mark. Alright, let's check that out. Mark and slash mark. Let's save this. Okay, great. Look at this. So this text is highlighted, or it has a background as well now. It seems as if with a marker you've marked the text. Let's look at the other formatting options that we have. Let's add a BR tag first. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now we'll talk about subscript and superscript. So let's use the subscript first. Sub slash sub. Right, so as you can see, HTML is a subscript now, or the alignment is little lower as compared. Look at the entire statement. I am HTML text. The alignment of HTML is little lower. It has become the subscript. Now let's use a superscript. Slash sup. Great. Now if you look at superscript, I am HTML text. HTML, the alignment is at the top. It seems as if you, in mathematics, you are putting some number and some power. You're giving some power to a particular number, similar to a square root that we write in mathematics. So this is a superscript. Let's look at the other formatting options that are there. We can use important text, or we can flag a text that this is important. Let's try that out. We've entered the BR tag for line break. After that, we have strong slash strong. Let's test this out on the left. Look at that. So the text HTML is little highlighted, or it's little bolder. I mean, it's not as bold as the one that is there in the first line. However, it is highlighted. So using a strong tag, you can highlight a text, or you can make something stand out by showing that this particular text has some value. Alright, let's look at the last one, which is insert tag. This is represented by ins and slash ins. Great, let's save it. Let's check it on the left. Perfect. Take a look. It's underlined. It looks as if you've inserted this from somewhere. Alright, so that's it in this video. In this video, we've learned about text formatting options that are available in HTML. Using text formatting, you can actually you can write different kind of text, and you can use formatting options to highlight a text or to represent a text in a different manner so that you can present it to people. And if something is important, you can make it stand out. If something is important, you can make it stand out. Alright, so that's it. I'll be back again with a new video. Please do remember to subscribe the channel and like the video. Also, please recommend this channel to your friends who are interested in learning HTML and website development. Take care. Bye-bye.